Hello there. Here's something to think about. In the year 2004, an asteroid was discovered that would cross the path of our planet near the year 2030, and with this discovery came concern, as initial data indicated the possibility of this asteroid colliding directly with Earth. The asteroid was originally given the provisional designation 2004 MN4, later given the permanent number 99942. And when an object is given a permanent number, it becomes eligible to be named, so the asteroid was given the name Apophis, the Greek name for Apep. In Egyptian mythology, Apep was the personification of chaos, opponent of light and order, which is why he was known as the Lord of Chaos. In Egyptian art, he was depicted as a giant serpent. Initially, the size of the asteroid was estimated to be 450 meters in diameter, approximately 1,477 feet, but future observations showed that its size is 350 meters in diameter, approximately 1,149 feet. New studies predict that on April 13, 2029, the asteroid Apophis will pass by Earth at a distance of 31,860 kilometers. It will be visible to the eye for a period of a few hours and will appear as a point of sunlight reflected in the night sky over the African and European continents. It is estimated that the close passage of an asteroid of this size by Earth happens once every 7,500 years, and in April 2029 we will have this unique event. In the research, the scientists analyzed the possible effects of the approach, such as possible influences on its trajectory and its angle of inclination, among others. Although we now know that collision with Earth is no longer a real risk, there are still other possible risks from having an object of this size so close to the planet. According to Gabriel Borders-Mata, a researcher at UC3M's Department of Bioengineering and Aerospace Engineering, gravitational interaction between a planet and a body such as the asteroid Apophis can alter the shape of the body, break the body into pieces, disintegrate possible loose rocks on the surface of the asteroid, or even remove other bodies orbiting the asteroid, such as rocks, satellites, or rings. Astronomer and Professor Othen Winter says that due to the asteroid's proximity to Earth, this body will suffer effects from our planet's gravity, which is very large in relation to it. For this reason, studies are carried out on, for example, its surface and its orbit, whether materials can be stripped away by the Earth. And the studies show that, yes, it is possible. The great concern of scientists is due to the fact that we do not know for sure the density of the asteroid, because the lower its density, the weaker its gravity, so it is easier for particles to be torn from its surface. When its density is higher, the effect is reversed, it can retain more particles. In a scenario where Apophis has a low density, approximately 90% of the loose stones would be removed from its surface during its approach to Earth. Despite this possibility, scientists point out that this would not cause any damage to our planet, given that these would be stones of less than 1 meter that would soon disintegrate in the Earth's atmosphere. Despite the initial scare, we now know that Apophis poses no real danger to the planet and its people. According to the analysis of NASA astronomers, there is no risk of Apophis hitting Earth for at least a century. So at the end of the day, the passage of the asteroid so close to planet Earth will only be a beautiful and extremely rare event, which some people will have the privilege of following with the naked eye. Thanks to the proximity that the asteroid will be to the planet, many detailed observations can be conducted, which is great from a scientific point of view. If you enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to receive more videos like this one. Thanks for the company. And keep on thinking.